Optimize integration is sales software for a specific operational decision. Identifies optimal integration pathways and compatibility improvements between existing and proposed technologies. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that sales teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimize integration narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimize integration starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include legacy API coverage, data migration volume, existing technology age, custom integration count, and concurrent user change. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the technical integration difficulty score based on the percentage of unsupported API endpoints, number of custom integrations, and age of existing technology. Determine the data migration risk multiplier by considering the volume of data to migrate and the security compliance requirements. Compute the recommended capacity overhead percentage for planning based on the expected change in concurrent users and the age of the existing technology. Assess the overall implementation readiness percentage by factoring in the integration complexity, team expertise score, and migration risk. And select the optimal integration strategy based on the readiness index and integration complexity scores. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how sales teams actually make decisions. Optimize integration returns structured outputs such as implementation readiness, integration complexity, migration risk factor, recommended capacity buffer, and optimal integration pathway. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of optimized integration is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated sales work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.